Hello and welcome to Management 320 Organizational Theory and Behavior. This week in our lesson we have some learning objectives, and the first one is to describe goal setting and relate it to motivation, then discuss performance in management organizations, identify the key elements in understanding individual rewards in the organization, describe the issues and processes involved in managing reward systems, define and describe the nature of stress, identify basic individual differences related to stress, identify and describe common causes of stress, discuss the central consequences of stress, describe various ways that stress can be managed, discuss work-life linkages and relation to stress, describe the nature of decision-making and distinguish it from problem-solving, discuss decision-making process from a variety of perspectives, and identify and discuss related behavioral aspects of decision-making, and discuss the nature of creativity and relate it to the decision-making problem-solving. When you're working on your reading assignments, make sure you look at Chapter 6, 7, and 8. Chapter 6 is motivating employee performance through rewards. Chapter 7 is managing stress and the work-life balance. And Chapter 8 is decision-making and problem-solving. You have some videos that were shown in class. If you have the in-course class, if you're online, there are 2 links in the video section of your syllabus. The first one is Dan Pink's The Puzzle of Motivation, which is a TED Talk. And the other one is Rethinking Work-Life Balance, and that one is an overview of how you can balance your work, your life, and your balance. Please note that there's another additional video posted in the news forum, and that one is on why we stay busy and how we can do more time management. We have 2 discussions for this week. Please make sure that you're using 5 sentences or more if you're writing online and you're using at least a citation, which is a reference. If you do not do so, then you will not get the full points. I want to remind you, because the first week I was pretty lenient. The second week you saw that you got some points deducted, and I will continue to deduct points if you do not follow those directions. Number 1 is to describe a situation in which you experience escalation of commitment to an ineffective course of action. What did you do about it? Do you wish you had handled it differently? Why or why not? And some have argued that people, not organizations, make decisions, and the study of organizational decision-making is therefore pointless. Do you agree with this statement? Why or why not? So make sure when you write these that you're giving lots of examples. You're being very descriptive. You're being very specific. Because remember, the reader doesn't always assume and know exactly what you're talking about. And you do have an assignment to do. Your assignment is for you to read the case study found on page 227 through 228. And you need to answer at least 3 questions of your choice. That means 3, not 1 or 2, but 3. And it's shedding some light on decision making. So please read the case and answer 3 questions. When you answer the questions, make sure you're using proper APA formatting. There's an example of APA template in your Moodle at the beginning on the top of your Moodle page. Also, note that you can use PurdueOwl.edu if you need to. And also, if necessary, you can use other resources as well to back up your credibility and your claims. If you have any questions, make sure you can email me, but the best thing to do is write and ask the professor section, so I will get notified that you have a question or concern, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much. Keep up the good work. Bye-bye.